Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. Here we see another 30 multiple choice questions related to Transformer. All questions are very important. So friends, don't skip till the end. Friends, don't forget to click the subscribe button below for new updates. Then let me start. Question number 1. Iron losses of transformer are measured by. Answer is option A, low power factor wattmeter. Question number 2, a transformer operates. Answer is option A, at power factor depending on the power factor of the load. Question number 3, the secondary of the distribution transformer must be connected in. Answer is option B, star. Question number 4, a transformer will have zero regulation at dash power factor. Answer is option A, leading. Question number 5. The core of a transformer is made of. Answer is option A, silicon steel. Question number 6. The efficiency of a transformer lies between. Answer is option B, 90 to 98%. Question number 7. The silicon steel laminations in transformers are used to minimize. Answer is option C, eddy current losses. Question number 8. Potential transformer is used for connecting. Answer is option C, voltmeter to high voltage line. Question number 9. Potential transformer can be regarded as dash transformer. Answer is option C, step down. Question number 10. A transformer transforms. Answer is option D, voltage and current. Question number 11. A transformer has negative voltage regulation when its load power factor is. Answer is option C, leading. Question number 12. The core loss in a transformer is constant during. Answer is option D, all load. Question number 13. A transformer provides a path for magnetic flux of. Answer is option C, low reluctance. Question number 14. The type of winding used in single phase shell type transformer is. Answer is option B, sandwich type. Question number 15. Power transformer are designed to have maximum efficiency at dash. Answer is option A, near full load. Question number 16. Compared with the secondary of a loaded step-up transformer, the primary has. Answer is option A, lower voltage and higher current. Question number 17. Open circuit test on a transformer gives. Answer is option C, sum of hysteresis and eddy current losses. Question number 18. Which of the following tests conducted on transformers is not a routine test? Answer is option A, radio interference test. Question number 19. The number of turns in the primary of a current transformer is. Answer is option A, 1 to 5. Question number 20. The eddy current losses vary as. Answer is option C, B square. Question number 21. During open circuit test of a transformer, primary is supplied at. Answer is option C, rated voltage. Question number 22. The efficiency of two identical transformers under load conditions can be determined by dash test. Answer is option C, back-to-back test. Question number 23. A delta star transformer works satisfactorily on. Answer is option C, balanced as well as unbalanced loads. Question number 24. Which of the following does not change in a transformer? Answer is option C, frequency. Question number 25. Magnetizing impedance of a transformer is determined by. Answer is option B, open circuit test. Question number 26. The degree of mechanical vibration caused by core laminations in a transformer depends on. Answer is option D, all the above. Question number 27. Routine test of a transformer is. Answer is option D, all of these? Question number 28. In Scott connections, the teaser transformer operates on 0.866 of its rated. Answer is option C, voltage. Question number 29. In a power transformer, iron losses occur in the. Answer is option C, core. Question number 30. The negative voltage regulation of a transformer is possible only with dash load.